Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You might have noticed a drastic change, aka what is this called? Improvement in the quality of my videos right now. Basically what's happening is I have decided to launch a massive reboot of my social medias. So my blog is getting rebooted, YouTube's getting rebooted, and Instagram. Twitter, I stay off of that. Let's get real. I don't know, maybe it'll change in the future, but for right now, Twitter's just way too negative for me. I just don't have any interest on being on there. But basically every social media that I'm active on is getting rebooted. So that's what's going on. If you're interested, if you're not, then that's cool. But I wanted to go ahead and film for you guys the August Scent and Warmer of the Month unboxing. So let's just jump into it. Alright, so I've already opened the box because it came about 2 weeks ago, but I'm just doing the unboxing now because it's been crazy busy. I'm actually studying to get my life insurance license, so yay. First off, if this is your first Scent and Warmer of the Month unboxing, what it is if you are a Scentsy consultant, you have the option to get the Scent and Warmer of the Month about 2 weeks early, maybe 10 days early before everyone else does. So you get access to the warmer first and you get to smell everything, and then you can like make your samples and whatever else to hook up your customers for later, or use it all for yourself, whatever. You do get paid for it, so you have to purchase it, but of course you do get your commission on it, so you get paid to get it, which is not a bad deal at all. And it's already super discounted to begin with, so kudos to that. Anyway, now that we've got all of that out of the way, let me show you what comes in the box. So every month you get rub and smell stickers, 72 of them. This is in the scent Alpine Meadows. Yay. This, let me open it. I came ill-prepared. Don't mind me. Is a pack of 50 flyers for the scent of the month, and they are always freaking beautiful. I especially love this one, but there it is. You get 50 of them. You can hand them out to whoever, and on the back you do have the previous 6 months worth of scent of the month, or warmers of the month, as well as down here the scent of the month. So that's always cool. And then if you open it up, dun, 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 you guys get a little sneak preview of the warmer, which looks like a mug, which is freaking adorable. And then the scent of the month, which is Alpine Meadow. So the description for this, because I am not good at descriptions, is wander through an expanse of wild red berries, lemon, and dewy greens. So with the Scent and Warmer of the Month, everything that comes in that scent and that warmer are 10% off for the month that it is the scent of or warmer of only. So for this case, August. So that means the warmer is normally 30 bucks. This month you get it 27. The scent circle is normally $3. You get it for $2.70. Scentsy bar, $5.40 as opposed to the normal $6. And then the room spray is $7.20 as opposed to $8. So that's cool. Get those in there. And then of course the fun stuff. So you do get the room spray in the scent of the month, which you can then either sell or use for yourself. I might end up using this one for myself. I did that for Johnny Appleseed, and I might do it for this one too. Love it. Anyway, then you get this nice bag in the summer months. It's a little insulated bag filled with ice packs. And it comes with 9 Scentsy bars of the scent of the month. So I am down to 7. I've already sold a couple of them because people are very anxious to get their hands on this one. It freaking smells amazing, guys. Like, if you like a really fresh scent with just a tiny, tiny hint of berry, you're gonna love this. It's seriously so good. Love that. You could melt it year round, in my opinion. I would. And then the last scent related thing is you get a mini tester and a full-size tester. Now, with the new catalog that's coming out, starting, I believe, they're not making these anymore is what I'm trying to say. I believe it's just whenever they're gone, they're gone. But they have a size that's right in between, and it's perfect. Like, I love the new size. So, yeah, I would assume that they only give you one of those moving forward in the new size, but that's fine because then you've got your samples or testers. And my personal favorite part, the warmer of the month. So this one is called Explore, Dream, Discover. And I'm gonna keep this one for myself. Oh, it's good because I just ripped the box. So that's a good thing I'm keeping this one for myself. I was so overzealous to open this that I just destroyed it. Anyway, so it comes really well packaged, comes with a little instruction slash disclaimer sheet. And then you get the warmer itself. And this one is a element warmer. So what that means is it doesn't light up. Guys, oh, sorry. I keep forgetting if I go close that it doesn't get more in focus. It gets out of focus because that's the camera that we've got. Anyway, look how freaking gorgeous this is. And it just has the little thing here, and you put the wax, pop it in there, let it smell up your house. Or I take these, if we go on camping trips where we're gonna be like stationary, I'll take like one of these and kind of like put it in the trailer or wherever we're gonna be. I also love to take my Scentsy Go though, but this one's so cute. I might have to take this and the Scentsy Go, but we'll see. Anyway, so it just says Explore, Dream, and Discover, and it's a little bit rustic on there, so it's got a little bit of that fading. And then, like I told you, it does not light up. So on the back here, so you can tell that it's on by this red light lighting up. So that way you don't have to be like, is it on, is it off, is it on, is it off? So you got a little light. And of course, as with, I'm pretty sure it's every single Scentsy thing ever, like Scentsy warmer that I know of, it has a little toggle switch so you can turn it on and off. But guys, I just love it so much. But anyway, if you are at all interested, I will leave the links to my Facebook page as well as my personal website so that you guys can get to shopping. Again, this is going to be available starting August 1st. So if I get this up tonight, it's going to be tomorrow. And if I don't, then it's today. So yay! Anyway, yeah, that's all I have for you guys. And I hope you enjoy. And make sure that you stay tuned on my channel because it's definitely going to get interesting. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this, and until next time, stay batty.